Hi, short video to talk to you about this MIELE Blizzard CX1 Cat and Dog Pro line vacuum cleaner. So it comes in full working order. It is in good clean condition, but it does have used marks, some quite heavy used marks. So it comes the main vacuum cleaner, MIELE telescopic wand, MIELE handle. As you can see, the paint's worn off, but it's in full working order. Hose and the brush head. So this vacuum cleaner, I'll show it working. It is very powerful. Okay, I've cleaned the bin, I've cleaned all the sides. Now, one feature about this vacuum cleaner is this button here. So it has, that's the waste collection bin. In here is the filter, and once this is turned on, after I don't know how long, say a week or 2 weeks, you press this button. I will show you. Very hard to do one-handed. I'll press this button, and what it will do, it will power down, and you can hear like popcorn making, but what it's actually doing, it's moving the filter to get all the dust out of it. The filter has been washed and cleaned, so everything is clean, so you won't need to do it for quite a while. And then once it's done it power back up again. Very small little crack there in the housing, doesn't affect anything, but I thought I'd mention it. Has the wheels. I'm standing on it, so that don't really help. Comes with the crevice tool, not the upholstery tool. But when this is full up, literally lift it out, press the yellow thing, the trap door opens and the rubbish will fall out, and then you can give it a clean. Hard to do one-handed, there you go. But once again, in full working order, just some use marks, that's all. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please ask.